Hi, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're coming across this video. What we are discussing today is choices you must take when you retire. Nigerian federal government said you retire either 35 years in service or you retire at the age of 60 under federal government. But on your own, you decide to retire when you want to retire. So when you retire, you are coming for your pension benefit because you have CPS account. Coming for your pension benefit, Pension Law 2014 as amended, Section 7 1A said, when you come for your process, you have lump sum to collect out of your pension. Section 7 1B said, you have a choice of program withdrawal to take with your balance. Section 7 1C said, when you come for your process, you have annuity life payment to take with your balance. Meaning you have two choices to take once you retire and your money is ready for process. These two choices is what bring confusion to retirees, because the annuity people will take their own, they go to PFA, program withdrawal, will take their own. Now listen and listen good. Annuity and program withdrawal are benefits federal government made for their retirees. What is their work? If you choose to be in program withdrawal, automatically you are saying that you, as a retiree, you can take care of yourself. You can see your balance and what remains in your account. And then we program the money to a given time and be paying you once the money finishes. That is the end of the story. Now let's go to annuity. Have you ever heard somebody that the money finished in annuity? Tell me. Because program withdrawal don't bear risk. Their work is not bearing risk for federal government. Annuity, their work is bearing risk for federal government. Let's understand it. Layman's understanding. You retire from FRS. FRS work for federal government is tax. You retire from NIPOST. NIPOST work for federal government is sending mails. Central Bank, all about money, bank, and that. NICOM, what is their job? Risk management for federal government. Federal government now tells you, come, you are my retiree. If you want to collect this money you are going home with for life, carry yourself, go to annuity. Yes, you heard me right. That is the only way that money will pay you for life, because NICOM's duty for federal government is life payment, life risk. They take risk of all federal government. So the risk of that money finishing while you are still alive has been transferred to NICOM. Immediately you take annuity. That is what it is. That is what federal government is telling you. Now they will say, annuity has 10 years. 10 years, how does it affect you? Federal government said the law of annuity, that 10 years is for your beneficiary, not to you. And they will say, what if you die in 10 years? And then the remaining money, what if your program don't finish in 13 years? You are still alive. Who will be paying you? Have you asked yourself that question? That is it. Then at the end of the day, they might tell you, do program withdrawal is increasing. Yes, it increases. But does it reach annuity? That program withdrawal, they will say, even if your money finish in program withdrawal, that is what they called pension protection fund. How many percent does it pay? Probably 10% minimum wage. Annuity is higher, is better, and is being managed by agency that bear risk for federal government. That is why annuity is good. For your process of annuity, call me Azubugwu Chinyere Abigail 070-6362-7478. The best option for retirees. Come under annuity, come under NICOM for your protection. If your insurance don't pay you, NICOM will ask why. PENCOM will ask why. This is out of experience. For more discussion on this, we are still meeting next time. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. Whenever I drop videos like this, you will be able to see it. I love you all, my senior citizens. I love you all, my senior citizens, to be enjoy. Bye.